Hello. Welcome to the Sage 50 Cloud Pastel how-to video. In this video we will demonstrate how to back up your point of sale SQL data when using Sage 50 Cloud Pastel. The first thing you need to do to back up from within point of sale would be to set up a backup path. This will be the folder which will house the backup processed. To do this, go to Setup and select Backup Paths. This process needs to be done from the server computer. Click on the arrow and browse for the folder. In our case we will browse for a folder we created for this exercise, then click on OK. Go to File and select the option to backup a company, then click on Start to begin the backup process. Point of sale will create the backup of the data in the specified folder. The backup name will have the date and timestamp of when the backup was done to prevent backups overwriting each other. It is important to note that this backup will include both Pastel data and the point of sale SQL backup, which will be a .back file and a zipped file. Restoring the data is also as simple as clicking on File and Restore Company. A window with all the backups that are in the backup path folder will come up, allowing the users to select which backup they wish to restore. Click on Start and the backup will be restored accordingly. To back up from the Management Studio, follow these steps. Open the SQL instance using the relevant credentials. Locate the company you want to back up under Databases, then right-click on it and select Tasks, then Backup. Click on Add to select the backup location where the backup will be saved. In our case we will browse for the folder we created before this exercise. Under File Name we will then give our backup a name and click on OK. Then click on OK at the bottom of the screen to execute the backup. You will get a confirmation once it's done. Restoring is as simple as right-clicking on the database and selecting Tasks, Restore, Database. Select Device and click on the three dots to browse, then click on Add. Browse for the backup location. Then click on OK to restore. This will restore the backup accordingly. Thank you for watching.